Hi, hello. Welcome to our lesson for today. My name is Michael, and today we will be on our lesson 3 for phonics sound for the beginner, and also for those who wants to correct, develop, and enhance their enunciations and pronunciations of the word correctly. Then, this is the perfect venue and platform for you to learn. Yes. And for this lesson, we will only be dealing another 3 sets of letters of the alphabet. Yes, you heard it right. Only 3. Are you ready? Alright, so let's begin with letter G. Letter G. Letter G. Letter G. This is a capital letter G. Letter G. Letter G. This is a lowercase letter G. Letter G. Letter G. All right. G sounds like G. 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 And for our first picture, this is a gorilla. 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 And for our second picture, this is a goat. 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 And for our third picture, this is a grapes. 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 I love grapes. Alright, so let's go to the next letter. And this is letter H. Letter H. Letter H. This is a capital letter H. Letter H. Letter H. This is a lowercase letter H. Letter H. Letter H. All right. H sounds like all right. And for our first picture, this is a horse. 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 And for our second picture, this is a hippo. 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 And for our third picture, this is a helicopter. 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 All right, so let's go to the next letter. And this is letter I. Letter I. Letter I. This is a capital letter I. Letter I. Letter I. This is a lowercase letter I. Letter I. Letter I. Alright, I has so many sounds too. But today, we will only be dealing only one sound. And I sounds like E. 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 Alright, and for our first picture, this is a E. Igloo. 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 And for our second picture, this is a E. Iguana. 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 And for our third picture, this is a E. Ink. 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 Alright, see, we're done. Then let's have a review. Okay? Are you ready? Alright, so for our letter G, G sounds like G, G, G. H sounds like I sounds like E. 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 And let's also review where the words that we have today. And we have first gorilla, 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 goat, 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 grapes, 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 horse, 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 hippo, 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 helicopter, 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 igloo, igloo, iguana, iguana, ink, ink, ink. Alright, so we're done. We're completely done. So before we call it today as a day, all I can say to you, thank you for watching for my video. And all you have to do, you have to practice reading English books for you to pronounce the word correctly. Read it loudly and hear the sounds of how the reading being done. Okay? Alright, so thank you for watching again. See you next time. Bye-bye.